go to film school. That directing your first film is like a harrowing experience. I mean, in that sense, na.
Yeah.
I mean, at that time I wouldn't say like, I mean, how was it? Did you enjoy it? I would, it's kind of like, I mean, so many thoughts. Like, it's like motherhood. You wouldn't say that you, in that moment, you enjoyed it, because it's like an all-encompassing thing. Like, the meaning you make from things often comes later.
Yeah.
Right?
Dots always connect backwards.
Yeah, you make meaning later, no?
Yeah.
Sometimes you go, and oftentimes like a difficult experience can lead to meaning or growth.
Absolutely.
So, those are, it's not a simple or a one-dimensional thing in that sense.
But what is that one thing you can give a session on? Hey, this is something I've learned and I would like to give a session on this thing.
One trick I can teach you, which I learned for neuroplasticity.
Wow.
It's my party trick, which I love to do. I find it very relaxing for the brain. On one hand, you start from the index finger, and the other hand, you start from the little finger. I mean, I saw it on a video on Insta, but that's how we learn nowadays. And this you go this way, like you start from the middle, and this you go this way upwards. So you do it simultaneously. And I can do it really well, which is why I'm doing it.
Ooh.
You'll end up doing it in the same direction, but actually I'm doing the opposite one. Can you see?
Yes.
I find it super fun and everybody should practice.
So इससे neuroplasticity बढ़ जाती है, like I can...
I guess. Anyway, it's good to keep challenging your brain. Even in your phone, like if you mix up the icons and stuff, it's good because you're always going to the same red button. It's here. I'm saying red button. We all know which app I'm talking about. But, if you change those, basically change normal things around.
और पता है जो आप बता रहे हो ये मेरे को एक ऐसा पता है जिसमें एक हाथ आप ऐसे कर रहे हो.
Correct.
और दूसरे मतलब दोनों को उल्टे डायरेक्शन में करना है. And it is so difficult. Can you do that?
That वो ना मैं practice करके आऊँगी next time. Because वो मुझे अभी I don't think I can do that one.
Yeah.
This way and this is going the other way.
Yes. And आप हमेशा यही करते रह जाओगे.
I think I'm doing it, no?
But एक vertical एक horizontal है.
Okay. I'll practice and come for next time. Okay?